In a tense courtroom drama, Genevieve Petes pleads no contest to a serious drug charge, facing up to 20 years in prison. But the judge doesn't believe her story. From questioning her relationship with a mysterious friend to exposing the truth about her addiction, this hearing takes a dramatic turn. Will the court show mercy, or will her own words seal her fate?
Genevieve Petes, and are there any applications?
There's an application for probation, Your Honor.
All right, probation, there's an application. Court is calling 2025 CR 010422, State versus Genevieve Petes. Can I have parties announced?
Brandon Lopez standing in for Rochelle Savello for Ms. Pettis.
And are you Ms. Petes?
Yes.
Any objection to this attorney standing in?
No.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with Ms. Petes?
We have, and we did, Your Honor.
Ms. Petes, did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're going to have to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
And counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We waive it, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 40 to 200 grams. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're going to have to speak up.
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, she is.
Ms. Petes, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied re-entry, and denied naturalization. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's $1,000 fine. There's no application for deferred adjudication, and the state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, no contact with Justin Kane, and the DOEP course. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
To the offenses charged, how do you plead?
No content.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yeah.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state will call in the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We just asked the court to follow the plea bargain, Your Honor.
All right, do you have any children?
Yes, I do.
What are their ages?
22, 21, 15.
All right, who's with the 15-year-old?
My ex-husband.
All right. And who is Justin Kane to you?
A friend of mine. Just a friend.
Then why was he with you?
I work for him. He has a business. He moves mobile homes. And we were transporting. We were at the location where we have our mobile homes at. And I was in the wrong place at the wrong time. So,
Well, no, I mean,
but he's kind of like,
sometimes you're in the right place at the right time,
yeah.
right? So how often have you been using?
No, I wasn't mine. It was his. But he put it in a pill bottle that was my name on it because he took it from a bag that I had inside the truck.
No, you said it was yours in the police report. I'm just going by what's in the stipulation. You claimed it all as yours.
At the time, I had to. I had no choice. But
No, I mean, there's always a choice. You can say it's not mine. Is that not a choice?
yes.
Did somebody have a gun to your head and told you
No,
you
ma'am.
had to say this was yours?
No, ma'am.
And I don't believe this story that he's in the business of moving mobile homes and you were helping him. That sounds very odd to me. What is the name of his moving business?
Transport.
It will be Kane Transport, right? Because his last name is Kane. So how long has your son been with his father?
A few years.
Why is he not with you?
Because we had a real bad divorce. And at the time, I was a stay-at-home mother
Mhm.
going to school, and he had the money to take care of them, and I didn't.
Usually they don't give custody to a parent just because they can't afford to.
Well,
That they're the ones who can afford to
I
take
didn't
it.
have like a stability place for him. So
Why do you have a
I
stable
was
place?
staying at my mother's at the time.
Usually that's pretty stable if you're staying with your mom. So what else was going on?
It was just a real bad divorce. So me and him, he just had money and I didn't. He just
All right. So you want to talk to me about this drug issue? Because I'm telling you right now, if you're telling me you don't have a drug issue, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put you on the IVR hotline and I'm going to send you out in the world on the IVR hotline. And the first time you test positive, a motion to revoke is going to be filed. And I'm going to see where you said that you didn't have a drug problem.
I used to have one a
No.
while back, but not now. Like I've changed my life. Like I don't use anymore.
Let me just tell you, people usually do not use when they're at the jail unless they're making drugs at the jail, which sometimes they do. But there's this methamphetamine. So how long have you been using meth?
5 years.
And how often?
Once in a while.
What does once in a while mean?
Occasionally, like
What does occasionally mean? I'm not with you.
this depends. I don't use every day.
All right. So how often are you using?
Weekend?
So is this every weekend?
No.
Then how often is it?
Whenever I get a chance to get away and use.
All right. So you don't have any children. When's the last time you were employed?
It's been a minute.
All right. So it's been a minute since you've been employed. You don't have your child with you. You use when you can get away to use. If you're not employed and you don't have a child, it seems to the court that you get away a lot to use. So how often have you been using?
It's just occasionally on the weekends.
And is this every weekend? Is this
No.
every other weekend? How often is it?
Maybe like twice a month. I go out and just hang out with a couple of friends.
I don't believe you because of the amount of drugs you had and the fact that is with this Justin Kane person. And I'm sure if I were able to find him on the street and do a UA of him, he's going to be positive for meth.
That's not true.
All right. So I'm going to make it on you because this is what we're going to do. Probation on this case. As previously stated, I'm finding there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. I'm going to sentence you to 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's $1,000 fine. There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. 100 hours will be deemed satisfied upon completion of parenting classes. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. No residing in a household with minors. No unsupervised contact with minors. IVR hotline with testing at least every 2 weeks. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. In custody, the following. TAP evaluation, and a referral to felony drug court. There's to be no contact with Justin Cain, Cain. Field visits one time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question on what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.